Why does the XK8 and the XKR battery run down so quickly when the car's not used for such a relatively short period? The last video discussed opening a locked boot when the remote or the dash button didn't activate, and this wouldn't have happened if the battery in the car hadn't been depleted. So the simple solution I mentioned is to lock once and then within a few seconds press the lock button on the remote for the second time. The second is a deadlock and the flash of the side lights is slightly longer than the first. In some countries, the lock and open not only causes the side lights to flash, but also there's a beep sound. Make sure you put the handbrake on whenever you park up. It may be an old wives' tale, but it's said that the battery has less drain when the handbrake is applied. In the next video I'll discuss what you have to do when you do have to jump start the car and some ways to avoid having to need to do that.